Hey guys, it's Maymay, and today we are playing with what I'm calling my new favorite travel essentials. I've been traveling and I brought with me my Nuvo watercolor pencils, my Nuvo watercolor brushes, they're water brushes I should say, and my Words to Color coloring book, which I wasn't sure would work with the water, but it has worked amazing. And in this video I'm going to show you me coloring it. I actually sat on the patio at our condo overlooking the beach and enjoyed a wonderful time of just relaxing coloring. And it's so simple to do. For the most part, I laid down a little bit of color wherever there was a shadow already drawn into the image. So like in the patterns of the clothing or in the words or wherever there was already shadow drawn in, I added some pencil to that and then used the water brush to pull that into the rest of the garment or into the letters. And it kind of creates its own shading. And what's so awesome about it is I relaxed and I didn't stress about it and I didn't worry about shading and shadowing. And the cool thing to me was because these clothes are kind of like hanging on the line and the wind would be blowing them in all different directions, the light also hits them in all different directions, so it works. I didn't have to stress about which way the light was coming. For the most part, I just kind of followed the shadows that were already there for me. Then when I finished, I thought, I want to look at the back of this and see if this has bled through. So at the end of the video, I will take the card and I will flip it over and show you there was no bleed through. This little card book is amazing. It's only $4.99 and you get 20 cards to color and they're scripture themed and they're adorable. And so this little video is here for you to enjoy. I hope that you enjoyed watching it as much as I did. Sitting on that balcony, listening to the ocean breeze and drawing. Links to these supplies are listed below. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment. If you want me to try anything, let me know. If there's a product in our store you'd like to see me do a demo on for this channel, let me know. I'd love to know what you're waiting to see. Thanks so much. Enjoy the video. Talk to you again real soon.